Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can use a very interesting fine-tuned Clora model, which is from Llama 3.2 1 billion model, which is trained on Indian legal data. So it is developed by Ambuj Tripathi. So what they have done is they have trained the model with all legal information about Indian constitution, Indian laws, so that way you can use it as a legal assistant. So normally a lawyer would be very expensive, so for production grade Indian legal AI with RAG retrieval, they have built this. So you can go ahead and use it. So I'll show you how you can run it. You can come to this. I have just put the link in the description. So this is the model. You can deploy it in Hugging Face and use it. For that you might need a Hugging Face account, but if you want to do it locally, you can go to LM Studio and download the model and use it locally in your system. So this is LM Studio. You can come here and you can just click on download. Then you can go to the models. In the models you can download this from Hugging Face. Then you can pretty much use it. So this is mentioned here. Search for this particular model, download the gguf file and start setting. So all the settings are available there and applied automatically via model.yaml file. So this is how you can use this. And you can even provide assistance, legal assistance in various matters, which might be very difficult for foreign models, in the sense like ChatGPT, which may not be trained on Indian laws and constitution. It can just pull out the regular information, but this is trained based on actual law cases from the court. So it knows and understands the things better. Even I think it will be even better than advocate in some cases, because advocate can know based on his experience, but AI knows and understand thousands of cases that is been available in public domain, and based on the previous judgments it can suggest things. So if you are a lawyer, then if you don't want to be left out in the AI race, then I think you should definitely explore things like this. And if you are not a lawyer and if you need some help with some legal setups, then you can use this as an assistant. It is not a replacement for a total advocate or lawyer, but this can guide you in the right direction. So if you are going to a lawyer, this will make you sound more informed and you know more things, how the law works. Even though you may not know anything, you can take assistance from it to understand things better. So now you can ask, if you try to ask normal questions, it will say I only handle Indian legal questions. So you can ask about IPC 302, what is that? Then it will provide information about those things. So I hope it's useful. Just check it out. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the show. Like and subscribe.